Hello?
Hey, good night. Can I speak to Mr. Wedderburn?
Hold, please, is Roy?
No, man, this is Jamaica.
Right. Hold a minute.
Jamaica Young Police Channel.
Hold on. Roy? I'm coming. Hello?
Yes, man, what go on, brother Wedderburn? So me call you back, you know. You know, me's a very busy man, you know, but I return your call. I'll do...
Who's it? Young police. Porter?
Yes, man. Boy, I'm there, man.
Let me just check up an emergency room, you know?
Oh, man, you alright, though?
You want me that, me have something that's goat, you know, goat?
Yes.
When you have too much acid, like you eat enough meat.
Yes, and in the process.
Emergency room expensive, you know?
Huh?
God, me have insurance, sorted.
Well,
Emergency room at $3,000 visit, you know, man?
Well, I say, I remember saying capitalism, you know. I saw capitalism work.
Well, me tell you, me believe, say, when my wife tell me, who call me, say who, because we exercise, but let me give Tom Levine number.
Yeah.
If I need that, with Tom Levine number. I want to go on. I'll leave right past me, but I don't know, man.
Yeah.
Because me you talk, you love Tom Levine, but how you love yourself.
Yeah.
Go on. But to my wife concerned about this, put about the kid with her. The way you talk, put her, man, they kill you, man. Listen, we talk to you with good faith, you know, because...
Yeah, man, me know, man.
Me know your family more than how you know them, because...
Yeah, that's true, because you come from...
You have a cousin in Jamaica. When we send money, go get all the while, I need to pay, I need to put me in the judge.
How am to make them deport him?
Let me tell you, the man they sell some drugs up here. And the Fed must have holy guy yard and they take away some of money from him.
Oh.
No, they want to chuck over Manhattan Bridge. And the truck was full of weed. And the damn boy, them, the detectives, they tell us if they call the name of who the thing belong to.
Them walk.
They will give a blank and we can get in green card. They go call up in him. So they get warrant, they go search the yard. And that's history. But yeah, I'm a blood cousin, but you don't know him. Him know, look at how close to him. The porter that you asked me about that name. Very close to him.
Yeah.
I said, one of them, I must say, I'm going to he said, don't be. But back to it now. Right now, Tom Levine now.
Yeah.
A long time in the thing called Tom. Hold on.
Yeah, man. Send me him number, man.
Hold on, man. Write it down, man. I'm just coming with this on paperwork. But, 1876.
Hold on. Bastard, man.
Listen to me now.
Yes.
Write your cousin that you don't know. Me John Peso. John, tell me give the number. He might tell me be a close friend because...
Oh, my have a cousin named Peso?
Yes, here you go. But when they come America, Tom Levine, he get a job, give an organ about textile mill.
Yeah.
And Tom Levine was a detective across the road. So he might Tom Levine is very close friend. I can give me Tom Levine number.
Oh, what name? What my cousin name?
George Pessoa.
Oh, okay.
His number is his grandmother name is Ruby.
Oh, I think me hear that name.
Your father become his grandmother aunt.
Oh, Ruby. Okay.
They come up and listen to me. Let me teach you. They come on first morning.
Yeah.
St. Elizabeth. Tell me that zone in Ipan. I'm sure be saved me. Me and George coming like a brother. Because when the couple I couldn't get no work. Work in our name. So because of that name developed. But me might just come up police state and uncheck me. That's why sometimes me hear you talk, you know. But you need some senior police to sit you down and lecture to you.
Yeah.
But George, before George come America, he got tender coat of money at Carby. I transferred. And we lock him up in a police station.
Oh, are you met them let him go now?
Then I go talk to Detective Lovell Smith.
Me hear about it, man. Me hear about me.
Lovell Smith is my friend. Because Lovell Smith told me. All of we were police together. Yeah, we are operate like police force. We operate this way. If somebody like us somebody, like me like us somebody.
Yes.
I think they will make me a blind. I mean, in case of if I was something, we give them a blind. That not corruption, no money no pass. Me go beg Lovell Smith. If I kill one part of the company, I want to steal. And then deny him access. All the lawyer them alone to see prison and custody.
Yes.
And we go and take now, we just drive around Admiral Town and we go there and Lovell. Oh, what's up? We say, boy, me have a family member here, have him in a custody. He said, we know, but anytime that court of the money to grab me, check like Lovell call me, say, boy, I'm release the man, you know. Case now go further.
Yeah.
5 case or submit. And then the type of relationship.
So you said George was thief, sir. A thief.
No, George was no thief.
So when my one
listen to me, no man. Tell me if you get a job, give her a
okay. So boy, so you see, so that's why the connection with, so you see, okay, so Tom help one of my family and me.
Tom is my close friend.
So
Tom is my closest friend.
Cause you know say him my role model though, you know that though?
Well, you know. You know Tom to me, little bit when my driving Benz. With the halfway tree. And you know, me I called Tyndale there last night.
No sir, me not calling him.
Oh, listen to me. Tyndale in a book in a Long Island, no. He called me all 10 times a day. Every time I call it, he don't call me, he cuss me. And he listen, he play back your tape and he might listen to you. Only thing I don't like with you, I'm being honest with you.
Yeah man, me love honesty.
You know what I say? That dog. So you know because we alone. The problem with the we alone some is one thing. One thing. No need to have no animosity. I don't know we are like Jamaican. Well on. That means we alone some is biased. But the thing is, I know everybody in life you go agree with.
True.
You can't be a journalist and you be competitive. For example, Tyndale said to me, say, we know Tom Levine and Bevan was good friend. But while Tyndale said to me, say, him and Bevan fall out. We don't know if it was reason.
Him and Bevan Simpson?
People fall out. It's like one guy he said to me, say, why somebody the kiss and the man gets over from my car. We say, if you didn't call me in time, you didn't something, but my car do not know.
Yes.
I go Alexander Road. We always look at the car. Even because I get mad. But when we submit to find what else can I do?
Yeah, you can't do nothing. You have to just work with the system because that's
the system. Problem. It's like example. The man says to me, say, listen to me. And you see how that guy that's the boy where you look for as a good boy that is the man in you. Never bring all of that to boy CID. So when Baba done 3 months, Baba said, drop me walk that back, we go buy pork. They have to comply. You know why? They remember how they end up a CID.
Yeah.
The reason why you never go further force to support her.
Yeah, man.
And the more we listen to you is this, and me and my wife conclude. You look like you're argumentative.
Yeah.
Because all my cousin there, Paro Campbell, listen to me carefully. The man is right there, the mobile is recording. Me and him and my brother all sit up in 2 Berk Road, Anthony Smacker eat. He's a nice guy.
Yeah.
I don't know how you find him to be a negative person. I don't know. It's like I see the police, you know what I think with Porter? Yeah. Porter must realize that you're a constable. You don't try to equalize. You comply. I know everything the senior officer tell you. You have to agree. But sometimes you play the hypocrite.
Well, that me can't do that. Me can't do that.
Me say.
But may I tell you, I roast now me too old for that and them thing there.
The police force. If a man beg you a bribe, me tell you something. If a man beg you blind, you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Me call you, you know. Can you call me how many times, you know?
I see the police officer beg you blind. I don't do it.
Mm-hmm.
We go have a black eye against you.
Well, I won't me have against me then. I may tell you what I'm to me now.
You know, say, in my ideas, you couldn't say where I want to be.
Me couldn't station I want to be?
No, they're not kill you. Me tell you why they're not kill you.
Mm.
I mean, being very hard to steal.
Yes.
Without killing no lie. You know, I don't want to call up people names still because...
No, man, nothing wrong, man.
We have too much police then. My phone have about 300 police. Senior police officer.
Yeah.
You know that? Every policeman, listen to me, get things. We live we operate in the area, I want to be a police area. You go Vandale, you go Yasso, you get this, you get that. Me no see the police officer get TV.
Yeah.
And the TV did upper.
Exhibit store.
Whereby a crew man, them go watch the TV. And a senior man. They said, come, take it out Pebble car. Daddy up the yard. Me, I'll do the first minute come out and I can't read. You talk port.
Yeah.
And they tell me you don't fall, man. You come from a fucking good family. They tell you, I don't know you. Very good family. But I know everything. You're this close to the world. Am I lying?
Yeah, man, you're not lying. You speak the truth, man. The truth is only the guilty. You know?
I see that come say, do this and do that. Look, my gunshot. Every license firearm holder, I mean, will give police gunshot.
Yeah.
Me know that. For they get extra amount and then bag up at the range.
Yeah.
But the way you do it, you're not going to be able to change the things you want to support. You will never see firearm come back to police force. You will never see passport come back to police force. Me mad when they take it away from police force.
Boy, I'm telling you.
You ever tell why that was it? The police make it bad. And because police will abuse, you say police abuse nothing. But they abuse the supporter. And you say about talk all right, and the police go right. They get criminal go right. And it's not a lie because my cousin, husband Perry, who was inspector, was drive right Thompson. Me and Perry not talk, but me and I talk things.
Yeah.
The problem is, the only way to clean up the police force, you have to go revamp it. And you can't revamp it, you have to put in it. Me don't want him, me like a boy, I don't lock him up. See me what kind of force, me do well.
Yeah.
Alright. And my life, me they show have rascal in there. And me and you talk about how man sell mash up case. Sometimes me wonder if it's true.
What case you talk?
Me and you talk about man charged for murder.
Oh, yes.
And the case now. Sometimes I wonder if it's true.
No. Well, listen to me now. I can't tell you this. One thing with me, I not tell lie on people. Period. Police are criminal. And the reason for that and them thing is the way I was raised by my parents. I don't think.
Me not the version show a while ago. I mean, listen to you and talk about this guy charged badness. Yes. I don't know the guy, but the guy's a fucking criminal.
All right, sir. Thank you.
The thing was, if me didn't know information about that guy, me don't pass it on to confidential coffee of his blood plant arrested. And then they find a way to lock him up. I know everything me I go talk. When me I go talk to him, but I want to eat the blood plant, man. I want to eat the bumbo plant, man. Because listen, let me tell you something. Every human being charged with a crime, you hear me?
Yes, but may I hear you?
Because they come from the English jurisprudence, it is said they have certain rights.
True.
According to law.
Yes, that is true.
For example, a man charged with murder, they go to parish court, they go to private facie case, they open a circuit.
Yes.
Juror will let you go. And the juror let him go. most of the policeman with a case, a circuit. Is that the policeman is innocent, you know? You know what is the reason why? The people of you believe, sir, somebody had a hard over jury. People got there to talk to them.
Yes.
That's why a lot of policemen walk. God, when they case up a circuit. But we don't know how that's going to stop, man. Not to the Rasta in Jamaica, we have no. You know what? We don't trust most people from Jamaica.
Yeah.
And the criminal, my wife called me and said, at time we take some vacation and go. If we never broke out to Sudan, we don't go to Sudan wait, because no budget for Sudan will drive taxi.
Yes.
It was a tenant of mine. And he said, come with a brother, we could go to Sudan.
Yeah.
We can raise no sheep on the land, don't they? And we go sell him the meat of Egypt. So I said, this is me that was to Rasta. Every meat in a court. Because we have a good car, me and landlord about it. Why? Everybody want me.
Them not like pay rent.
Everybody want me. With that court every minute. What we are going to do?
So you say people them not like pay rent?
You couldn't be a landlord of Brooklyn. You don't lose the temper. You couldn't manage this job.
Where you say I couldn't manage the landlord?
You couldn't manage this job.
No, I mean, I'm a
But about the cat, you could have real loan some. You call him ugly some.
Yes.
He mad. The allegation him have about you about rape, me know say that's a lie. You know what I mean, what is lie?
Yes.
Me dissect the case. I'm tell you. The woman will come and I make delegate and but you Christopher Porter, she admits she don't make no report to police state and but if them have all these evidence and that time you should have police state, they gonna make a report. But because you must have so weird when some no get that way, me listen to. It might just get them people to go to a line at all.
Why you do things like that?
Me, it is in the public domain.
Look how many.
You can't really use some of this I will use some look at the life and
Hey, what you say on a lie, you tell them thing there. What you say? What you say about?
I mean, what to with real some. Me would have me with a concentrate partner. We're commonality. For example, the commissioner of police. Real some, we tell real some might be a very rude person.
Yes.
We call people dog shit.
Yeah, true.
We call people to fuck off. What I'm minister to him, what I'm seeing. We see as a minister of finance today.
Yeah.
He got huge support for a Rattigan. What Rattigan is to be an intelligent guy. And him have no people on his program, Nigel Clark Company.
Nigel Clark Company program?
Yeah, you need to attract these type of people on your program.
No, I don't want a politician. Because look here, I don't want politics.
No, it's necessary. But we alone someone say, well then, he's not called back tough time. Unless it's an improve. And I don't believe when you say take police is sometime I feel. You know why I don't believe that we support that? A guy with that level of intellect, a question the Minister of Finance about debt and about what I think about the budget. Can't be announced to that. And I say, and I did at 4 over there as the Minister of Finance for the program next. He might have to go.
Yeah.
Nigel Clark, me listen to him. And I want to tell you, I don't know what's going on, but it seems to me, it was about peace with the PFP,
True.
But the thing is that the economic situation are things in our country use a peaceful advantage. Yeah, I'm just in competition because of the fact that you speak on matters related to police and crime.
Right.
I mean, I know probably tell something that hurt in car.
Yeah, well,
I'm mad with you.
Yeah, me know our earthy man them thing there.
When I tell me here, you tell him, How they put in the road and the lie of the gate when they carry the commissioner of police at court.
Simple.
But it's sad on the turn enemy now.
No, the thing is that now, look, I did about that, you know, because I honestly I support him. I support when they make that move. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, I support him when they make that move, because I was saying that he was even bolder than the Police Officer Association. Finally, somebody has stand up. You understand? For the right, it's not who is right, you know.
So we are in a disagreement.
No man, I know me and him. After that, now start this me and him thing. I never disrespect him and him thing.
I pick the business up, man. We will be a big man.
No, him not. No.
Listen to me. You listen to Sir P. Me and listen to Sir P before we alone something.
Yeah.
Sir P seems to be very objective. Right now, I know she have about 100 different people. I mean, every time factor listen to all of them.
Yeah.
But every day I know I listen to you. Every day. And the reason I listen to you, you come out with some man bagging information that I didn't know.
Yes.
Me didn't believe me know Harry Bongos. But me tell Ian Martin, this on where you talk, I will never speak to Bongos again in life. When you talk, say how Bongos order the killing
and the policeman
and so on. Me know why here. Ian Martin is right, don't listen to Porter.
I am not.
They go me say, hear me. The allegation is too damaging. Me no want to talk.
Yes.
Because let me feel shame. You know they order the killing a policeman.
Alright, but
I'm here interviewing other people. So I say me no want to talk to him again.
Alright, then suppose me tell you something on them thing. It's not only the policeman there him kill, you know. There's a next policeman who used to work at Spanish Town, you know. Me have all him photograph and everything with them.
I even want to believe you.
Me not hey, look here, me a bungle.
You want to believe you with that one?
Yeah.
Me listen to Wayne Lonesome. I interviewed the guy that Texas where they're moving on with this protection program. So me give credibility on that one. I believe bundles only get up a technicality. But me hear you go as far as to say bundles that sell drugs at White Plains Road at Bronx.
I don't lie that. Him have one police near Wilson.
This is dangerous.
Wilson tell me that. And look here, may I show you how the man, how him dangerous. You see, the police where him and him used to sell drugs, one police near Wilson, one brown brother. You know,
man end up the superintendent of police in Jamaica.
Yeah, I mean, like yes, man. Then and look here now, when Bongles are deputy soup, him and Wilson, you know what he says. May I tell you about what the
man. Brother of mine, we drive taxi in Spanish Town. Yeah, Mr. Bundles build a house at Portland.
Yes. And
the electrician who do the wiring of the house get a gun license just to wire in the house, and pay the man, and they save drugs. So that means the guy in Texas, we believe he's talking truth. No man, him not no reason for lie, because him used to live at Bongos yard, you know. But what surprised me that I didn't know, that's why I not depend on the police again. Yes. So me hear you talk how he take this boy like his son. And because the man taking coke and not give back all, he might have the kill. You even say the police man in Power Ranger. Yes. And I'm not coming at him because I'm not kill Power Ranger. True. And the time he said no. If bundles all that something. And you talk how bongos give information to black man go kill man. Yes, so man. He make me blood crawl. Yes, man. I'm danger. May I tell you this between me and you? I first you to hear this. You see, you reason. Piggy Williams start me say. Piggy Williams. No, we don't know. We say there is none of the YouTuber come out with more damaging allegation than you. More. That's why you will have a whooper ass enemy. For them, they are listening to. Me know, man. And them look to them and say, "Woman, support and know these things." Woman, the deputy super his king's son cannot love you. For you say have two CID car park up when the car belong to police. Yes. Hold on, they're not going to love you, Mr. Porter. Hey, look here, between me and you, they're not going to love you. Me not do things in love on them thing there.
From me, alright, may I tell you this? From me, I cadet, you know. May I show you? Alright, you remember, you know, a man named Screw Morgan. So, you know, a man named
Screw Morgan and the rich superintendent, man.
Alright, may I tell you this between me and you? You see when me, just listen. You see 2 weeks before, may I show you how somebody, how a man forecast my future in a police force. And to this day, I was even talking to, I don't want to call the man name, because everybody want, you understand, you call him name. But this was a man who made a training school. He's my only person who ever catch me Brook Barracks. And the reason why him catch me him catch me Brook Barracks, I was in a Gilbert.
You train at Park, right?
Yeah?
You train at Tottenham Park?
Yes, man. So may I tell you what now when me Brook Barracks?
A police guy training him, Terrence Linton?
No. No, he never trained me. Let me tell you who trained me. Biff, that our brother named Levy. Them call him Bitch and Biff. Bitch.
How many police you know about the Ellis?
No, let me tell you who did that. Henry, Dudley Bryan, Respi, Dill Duck, Paul Expute, Bam Bam, that are Clemenson, that are the CDI, Roddy Bailey, Martin Baylis.
You know what of them? Because, you know, the last time I go by the training school there.
Yeah.
That's one detective, but so matter. Everyone comes, you know, sell insurance.
Yes, ET, yes, ET, yeah.
The car running a mud, stuck. ET give me car to go pull it out, they couldn't pull it out. And one of the police shock, pull it out for me.
Yeah.
But, you know, Errol Thompson was a good instructor when I was at Port Royal. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. So I'm to ET.
It was out there selling insurance, you know.
No, yeah, man. So
bucket and other rate and liver Queens.
Alright, so
you know, so we went all old sergeant place, old sergeant Lee. And still me tenant now. When I rent in place up to my wife, I'm not renting.
No man, you must police arrest people for renting nothing, man. Me used to have a house at Jamaica and them thing there, you know. You understand? And the reason why we not forget rid of it, because I don't know, based on my job with me, they know and them thing, you know, so you can't have no financial ties out there in Jamaica.
Alright, can I tell you something?
Sure.
Alright. You have a policeman in the keyboard, my good friend, you hear me?
Yes, man.
The keyboard have a house,
Washington Garden, yes. Yes.
Me carry a policeman in Ellington, go over here over Edgewater.
Wait, which Ellington? The commissioner of police?
No, in cousin.
Oh, okay.
Because Ellington didn't want a place to live. All of it owns me. So in the beginning, get us in other ones, so I leave barracks.
Yes.
So one Sunday man we drive go over there. And the keyboard come inside, and the keyboard doesn't even interview him.
So the keyboard, he used to station on once better?
No, here we go. He was in charge of FIU, second in command.
Okay.
That's the section of Michael that will compete to take money like contract. We get to know the keyboard through the sister. The sister did have a wholesale right at 3 miles.
Yes, man, yes. Kelly, yeah, the drinks place.
In front there, I'm here to borrow money from her. All of it is borrow money and pay back.
Yes.
She said, beside brother, so we get to know the keyboard and the key treats every police nice. So the king said, alright, my police can get the place. And then Ellington rent the place. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
And me can get it because Ellington come and St. Mary. And he never know the keyboard sister. And me came there. Although I go out, go see Ellington.
Yes.
You know, so Ellington live at the place and his parent is 1 year good. And his top parent.
A dirty man.
Well, you know what? The keyboard might begin pressure for money. Ellington pay more money, I go save money to buy one house. So the keyboard might be taken to court. And you know what Ellington do? Ellington see me away my driver and say, whatever, I'm not paying them no money, you know. The keyboard can't come in my pocket to take out my money, you know. And he can't check me neither. You know what happened? Tell him that there is 6 years, the case drag out. And when him have to leave, he take a machete and chop down the banana trees and he plant it there. You know what the keyboard see me and said to me, Wedderburn, let me tell you something. You should have me and talk for. The keyboard Anthony's Irish daily deliver. Now we shall be at Walter Park Road. And the man is me and he said, Wedderburn, never recommend no police to me again. I'm saying, anytime we up here, I say, the keyboard quite irate, man. You know, anytime I care why you idiot. You don't believe me what I want to myself too. I know what happened. See, me to America. 35 years now. Anytime the station is central, you drive the police jeep, go home. And gunman meet him and gate must over
Portmore. And kill him.
Shoot out with him and go. Me don't know the gunman is dead. But unfair game, me know an ex-policeman did name Monkey Man. The man Ivan Thompson close his friend. Named Desmond Davis, Monkey Man. He did love me like I cook food. Then he transfer him to Trelawney.
Through politics.
Yeah, man. He always kill no man in a jungle and anything. He kill more man more than anything. But listen to me. Me always, when he transfer go Trelawney, me always see him all a tone. Morange would have me give right. Me and my friend. And when they kill him, I walk up Park Road beside Chinese cemetery. Me and they gonna go drink too because up to Bevan I say, you know like the car that I too close to all Pretoria Road, Nelson Road. Yeah,
that's at the bar in front of the Chinese cemetery.
And the boy will kill him, a boy will always give money. He always give money too. And they call him Monkey Man.
I wish you them did kill him again.
But now 85.
When full name again?
His name Desmond Davis.
Oh.
My Winston's father is a real good friend. All the detective and the lawyer them a good friend. And they make a court and give evidence. And they meet all the lawyer them. But you want to know, when he dead me cry for my friend. He actually I need the station but he stop. When he come at town, you start to have a drink. You know what I mean? I remember Ivan Thompson said to me, said they know a chini man and them boy drink and them go get me.
Nah, but all I boy them kill him dead though.
Me know. Ivan Thompson tell me. Ivan am a close person.
I'm a boss that man. You know say him recruit me though.
Yeah, man. Right now, if you call what's name to Ivan, you see, you know what's going on? Ivan Thompson, our daughter did me now access to Jerry's bus one time. And I do the investigation. We're in a private investigation. When he's going to take money, we have to do our investigation. When we are doing it, I'm going to get some money up, I'm going to get the money. I'm going to get the Ivan, I'm going to a long time back.
Yeah.
Ivan was a police too.
Yeah, man. She Irish, man. Yeah.
Big thick Ivan Thompson.
So, boy,
I think I'm one of them boss, you know. I be man think I'm one of them boss, you know.
So Monkey Man make the boy them kill him. And the man they are bad police.
The Monkey Man pull out his gun.
Huh?
One. In the night bar. And him sit at a good location.
Yeah.
But when you see the boy there, he pull his gun. But the boy them were too fast by the drug. But I say, you see Bevan, the difference in the whole of them and Bevan. Bevan only drink at 3 miles.
Yeah, man, out of Willie place.
A Willie bar, yeah, why?
Because I yes.
Even the Trinity I talk about. It means that the smartest detective in the boss.
Me know, man.
Let me tell you what one time. On the police station, Trinity whole of boy at 3 miles. And he came to search him, man. And when the boy reach on the find the gas station to the station. The boy run out of Trinity and pull a gun from between the crutches.
Yeah.
And Trinity never had no gun with him. We are telling this publicly.
Yeah.
And Trinity hug up the light post. So the more the boy a circle around, Trinity here shift on the light post. And the radio car come up Marcus Garvey and say, what happened? Tell everybody say me tell you so.
Yeah.
And they kill the criminal boy.
So
and Trinity hug up the radio car police. I said to the guy, say, I'm in you, brother, no. I believe a Barry Hamilton that drive the car. But Barry observer kill him.
Oh, that I see Barry from where you said that Jones done.
Yeah, Barry has some pick up as observer out there, you know. Barry kill him most for the patrol, you know. When Barry dead, me cry, you know why?
Yeah.
We didn't have a tree. And the boy will kill Barry. And Barry contribute to the because they got already absorbed no drink. But because Barry like papi gun too much, he don't give nobody no mercy. He begin shoot up the vehicle because the vehicle them splash up the vehicle. I never know the security guard in there.
Yeah.
So Barry know the guard only fireworks at the Barry vehicle. And he killed Barry in the heart. Because and they try to come out here and stay fine.
Yeah.
And he had nobody go to the yard room. I tell what happened. And in the turn out that they really came and they kill him. But Barry expects woman. Barry did over sex officer in the Barry had work with Kelso Small. I mean never Kelso come and station in the night and cry. So Barry just too ignorant. He shoot too quick.
Yeah man, alright guys.
And Roberts come and station and say, boy, Barry never did never be charged with shooting. But Barry shoot up the whole of the security guard van. But it's a part of the incident. I remember when I was showing all this patrol, I was on Radio's Road and a patrol. I always check Barry in the club there on 13, that club. Barry always say, I don't want to go already. Pardon a uniform, so Barry always.
Yeah.
Well, that's why when I hear you say things about Barry and Big Youth. I never say anything, but me, everybody talk about me what true.
But as I tell you already, you know, I
don't know why you choose to talk in public to the world.
No, then look here.
I don't know why.
No, I just educate the people, man. Hey,
but here when you talk it. Listen, everybody knows that Barry Hamilton and PFP police and Big Youth.
Yeah.
That's public knowledge. This public knowledge that Big Youth but no Labour Party retirement.
Right.
That's public knowledge. You say photo, the more you talk, you only create more enemy. You can't tell her. Boy, I'm finna come back there again.
No wrong with that and everything. As me tell you already, say, look here.
I never got the two side of good man. We never meet Bird Boy yet.
Yes.
All the time we about Bird Boy. When me down with this state, everyone Sunday evening, we see, they say, everybody supposed to put a white tunic. I mean, what says a special occasion. I'm here accused I want a Michael right hand man will give a right kill. And federal. I'm say rotted. I mean my son never no shot fire. And me know the money man in all of it. Now then I'm town station with that poor address. And I post negatively parade. I hope other police. I mean what's a labor must be paid this thing.
So what mean tell you got Tivoli parade?
Police are all about we gonna because they say they're for the Prime Minister.
That's after when Borry Boy funeral and them a try to go to Tivoli.
And that police go address the crowd. And police then say you can't people shoot up the Prime Minister. Cause Dan Paul was the big boss Deputy Commissioner, man.
Yeah, but yeah.
All of it vex on the time. I can't vex with the Prime Minister.
Not true, man. That wrong. But you know, but the people them I say, what's your name? What Michael?
But that Michael never need to come. That's so a provocation to me. But you know, to me, man, because he never bury me, but he never bury a Calvary. But you know, it's unfortunate, you know.
I just say go on them thing now. I want them things.
All of these lives could be saved.
Yeah.
And all of these people could be living today. Political violence have not served Jamaica well.
Never. And it's I look here. I totally against it and them thing there. You understand? It no matter which side.
You see what the hours where police take, right? Because of the rail bar. A Panistone Road and Delacree Road.
Oh, yeah.
I drink all of it and drink. Me go. Me drive just go Mango Stone. Me a soldier always a giant police military patrol so pain that me not sure if the damn way.
Yeah, man.
I know about the time shut after we. For people respect we.
Yeah.
You understand me? But things have changed.
True.
The way me and you talk about police sell gun and butt spent and the thing. So by time, when me call my squad in other Georgia, he said, when I bring the sale is the quarter. He said, yes, that is true. He said, you believe that story there? He said, man, repeat that somebody well. He must have some evidence.
Well, I want to, me can't tell any police. Any police says, you know, want to say me I tell lie. All of my for this come with the truth. Because I have no reason for lie upon. When me I gain from to tell lie upon even a dead man. There's nothing for gain. You understand?
My cat take exhibit gun and sell to gunman.
Yes, Ellington see if Ellington make him get for retire.
We don't know Ellington was the type of person, man.
You can't stay there. Alright, between me and them thing there. So you know.
No, me don't believe. Me don't know. Me know say they relocate me because I have bungles.
Yeah.
I will never speak to him in life again based on what you say the policeman dead. And proper investigation should be done about it.
But the police them are Spanish don't know. And I like to them don't know. Them know, you know, you understand?
Well, you be careful to give police information in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, the police them know, man. And look here.
You can't get these things directly to DPP, you know. You never go to police, you know.
Yeah, but we give to DPP and them thing there. You know what got and them thing there. And them
I think the other day when the parallel will live.
Yes.
You take a side, you have to be more objective.
No.
Yes, listen to me, careful. Listen to me. I don't know parallel will live. I don't know her.
I know her.
She seems to be a good prosecutor.
Very good, very. May I tell you that? Me know her from a young police.
She damaged our reputation. Listen to me.
How she damage our reputation? When members of the police force have confidence in her.
The People's National Party seems to have lost total confidence in her, even if she objected.
But between me and them thing, the brother Wedderburn, the PMP have no credibility if you tell nobody that. Because look, and the reason why I say that. No, hold on. Just listen. No, hold on. No, you talk about credibility and them thing there. Look what Mark Golan have done. Mark Golan marched a man who's a murderer, a convicted murderer, somebody who killed people, Danville Palmer.
You see, because you are from Jonestown.
Yes.
You know things that I will never know.
Yeah, but I will
tell you why you know the things that I will never know. Remember one time a guy talked to me across the police station. And I'm living said don't talk to him. Don't talk to them, man, because they want to seek friendship with police.
Yes.
And you know, life really funny. But the one thing that made me very unhappy among certain type of people.
Right.
And it's only somewhat time police know. Something where we carry a certain man and lock him up, put him in a jail across the road. And it created a lot of malice against him. And he go back to the American embassy. Wilmot Perkins, a 2 senior officer, did come in the embassy at Eureka Road Oxford Road. And because me bring them in, when you do something more time, because problem.
Yeah.
Multiple things, no. Multiple things. Don't have no man that respect the police or nobody.
That's true, man.
So, he accused me of being biased to take in. There's two, when he says, let me go by investigation, and he not believe that too. He begin disrespecting the police. Palmer was corporal, not have the ability to stand up and act to him, man. Dyer said, no, you can't attack the police. No.
Which Dyer? Red Dyer? Brown Dyer, you attack?
The police is down there, so listen to me. By he point up in my face, he escalate the whole thing.
Who point up in your face?
Multi Perkins.
What?
Me, say alright. There's a halfway when the immigration come on there. I say alright, you know, think about safeguard. We can't go across the station and all that. Find that Multi Perkins all is like that. You don't have no respect for police. But after a while, they're in talk. But the thing is, me do you know. Me don't make nobody point for his and disrespect me.
Yeah. So when you point up in your face, where you do?
You know, they keep me the back now, like up your ass. I can't go anymore, but they can't.
So you never charge him?
And I come to ask Frozy across the road. You see, you have to draw the line. Them man, they disrespect everybody.
Yeah.
I get away with it because they use the pulpit and the media. We don't care about that.
So what happened? So you never charge him for after you flag him?
We don't care about court and get him convicted, man.
Oh, but a petty session that, you know?
Yeah, man. And he said, I'm going to Jamaica. And he must say, because I'm talking to good, why me like him up? That's somebody that say, what's up?
He must an agitator still do, you know? Him not like police do, you know?
Multi Perkins?
Yeah, man, him not like, he love criminal, man. I remember say, Multi Perkins is a man where we tell all people say them attack the police, you know, and claim say them and defend themselves, you know?
The man go and fight 20 Abrams are going to be here already, you know? Then 20 Abrams are minister because 20 Abrams never appoint him for the board.
Oh, up at JBC?
Yeah, man.
So him is a violent man.
He's a very arrogant brother. And I think he's out there too, you know. Maybe I'm good, you know, when he escaped, you know.
I know who kill him though.
He might be license gun and he couldn't even pull it.
No, him never have no license gun upon him then. Him did lose it.
You know, me know a good man. Me got to him already. He might get no bunk check, you know.
He give all bunk check?
No, me, he get people bunk check and go to him. And me and talk. He never popular business out there, you know, state like that.
Yeah, man, I never did fee in place. I don't fee in place.
No, he rent it. Well, it's not nice, brother. I mean, everybody have their fault. They're going to drink 2 beers.
Me never like him, because him never have no respect on them thing there for nobody.
You don't do it to me.
Him the disrespect all PG and all them thing there. Me not believe no guy is supposed to
disrespect PG.
What? I talk say my Batman and all them thing there. Publicly.
Hello, let me tell you something. Anybody can make allegations against everybody.
Yeah.
You know Jesse Hag. You remember Jesse Hag?
Yeah.
Remember one time when Mirage killed the boy, you know, Detective Mirage? Paul Harbour. And they convict Mirage. Mirage get bail if I appeal. And Mirage run away and wouldn't go back. Even if in Brooklyn, I said Mirage, you know, go back. So me go back to the house, you know, once. Go back where you are.
So where him there now?
He did the cancer, man.
Oh.
He managed like fire and gun hard.
So him did win the appeal or him lose the appeal?
No. The appeal court had a retrial.
No, so him just not bother go back?
Say now go back because a guy ready to charge with him for murder. Walter is the inspector after a while. And when Walter's come back, was spent time by jury all the way up there. He said, what about we want to come back for? Suppose the trial go a certain way. A jury trial, you know. A jury trial, you know.
True. But you know, hey, but you know, say if I know though, you know, have no if you know that.
No. You see jury trial. There was a jury lady in Walter Park Road. 5. A place with no door. There's a bar there. Wholesale there. Right in front of his road. In front of Lindo Mechanic Shop. Beside Lindo Mechanic Shop. Near Mr. Thomas, your JP. You know what she always tell me, sir? No policeman will charge you no crime. They come back King Street. She not vote the convict, no police.
Yeah.
Because a police protect our business.
Why may I tell her, but hey, boy.
She talking publicly. So it don't matter. Anytime she love police, the people there. They are just my son place when I even pay the train. Every police are always being order. No door, Walter Park Road, 45.
Yeah.
They're good jury. First time people didn't love police.
True, man. True.
They love police, they now make no police got prison.
Yeah, man. But why I tell you, say the thing change, man, because a Jamaican for justice do it, you know. That woman will make millions, will become millionaire off of the blood of the poor people, them. And that's why the crime is like this, because you see, that's where
the problem lies, no.
Yeah, man. And as she...
That's why, you know, say, you know one judge when they're gone, and me cry when he did Lindsay Wolf. 10 days, 7 hours, Lindsay Wolf always come and crash with police station every night, come out his money. In that 3 bus on the road, minibus. And him is a police judge, you know why?
That's true, man.
Him did it on Mobile, him and Francis were law partners. And he left being a Cotton RN. I remember when them a try Adams, Caroline go over and stand up in a court. They reading that paper up here. And she say, you know what? If you say one more word, I lock you out.
Yeah,
you're not a bigger defender, just know me. Lindsay will defend police. I know why you love police.
Yeah.
He did have him private practice.
And
him and most of the detective always played that me.
Yes.
He's a man who love police, man.
Me know him, man.
He want to judge Glenn Brown. Me talk other day something. And we laugh. We laugh when you say so.
What me say?
My wife asked me why I love Porter and he put up. I listen to Porter.
Yeah.
I don't know Porter. But the police there, they in my blood.
Yeah.
You said, if you believe that, everything, every police spies, the super kind of near Henry.
Yes.
And I know, Detective Michael Phipps there. Toxicology reports in America confirm. We don't know who poisoned him, but we know he's there.
Michael Phipps said...
Hello. We know you're not Duffy poison him. Duffy can't poison nobody. All right. We're not going to blame nobody. That's the reason. You see me go drink? We carry my beer. Go in that bathroom with me. Because we don't know who will poison you.
That's true, man. That's true.
People will poison you.
Yeah, man.
Me a Piggy Williams tell you, so when you go look at DK, and DK was poisoned nearly dead.
Yeah.
And personal charges at the time, can't call me, but you know why my man is for you. He said DK would colleague him poison.
That's true, man.
That's why you know you eat and drink with.
Yes, and everybody, but I remember saying everybody who say your friend or your friend.
Where Henry was doing in Clarendon, I just said he was not wrong. But Chucky was chatty.
Yeah, man, and but I don't go say him chatty. Actually, him dunce.
Because listen to me.
Evil criminal have better sense than him. Because no criminal knows nothing to give caution statement.
you don't incriminate yourself.
Yeah, me know. That's why I tell you, say a criminal smarter than him, but him, I just because him fully dunce. You could not get a criminal. You can't get a seized criminal for give caution statement against himself, and him a police and do that. So then you must.
Know, like funny, you know, me stand up the police superintendent already, you know. And the same Granville Gaza, you know.
Yeah.
In the 1978, December shooting take place on Hagley Park Road and Omar Road. 3 police already on duty. The shooting really in my heart, it never justified, but yeah.
Yeah.
I mean Saturday night, Christmas Eve. And you know that Clinton have to come in the CID room and instruct Granville Glass to collect a statement from me. Because I'm in the street and I say I'm not doing it. And he said, why? Maybe for an order. I said, well, hey, I was starting to trade school up and like everything and I'm not doing it, you know. So I said, I go see one place. I said, but I'm not doing it. I Granville Glass, I collect it. I Granville Glass, I said, Wedderburn, no, you're Mr. Officer. Mr. Officer, I quit alone. No statement was given.
Yes, that's it.
Hold on. The Sunday morning, they were saying police, I can't pay to get the prisoner who get shot. And the corporal, the Dixie said, he don't want to see me if I could have family member get shot. And then pass out a negative comment. I say, listen to me. I can't know what I'm asking. Could allow the final attack by everything. The boy we did know, the boy never there. The boy come from Walter Park Road off Chinese cemetery in Duxilla. And get shut off my bike. I'm man see my Bronx. I tell me the pop push around the van. They say he come in dead no still, no. So I tell this, you want cause. Say what's Mrs. Man who pay no man? I'm a taxi police boy shoot man. That walking around the van. In dead no, but that is history. You know I'm going to me when we see up to Chucky Bone's son. I remember when Chucky Bone funeral, right?
Yeah. No,
you know I see that every turn on in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
When they see like a you know, we don't know where they are. When that book can be hurt, you know?
Yeah. And that's why I'm calling back on them thing there.
Yeah, man. Let tell you something, Voter. You see this life? This life is a life of challenging and new learning.
That's true, man. You understand?
You see, me born as well, St. Elizabeth.
Yes.
I mean, let's look up on the police and respect the police and still do, but someone who me see get, alright, me talk about the police get clownish. Hello?
Yeah, man, that's you talk the one that dead.
The one with the shot.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you want detective attack you about him. Me don't know the man, so we can't tell him about him. But if I'm going to tell man, say, who come across like that, put up their hand. That means I didn't want the police work, that he might determine who to get fired and who don't get fired.
Yeah, man.
Me don't know who give me my authority.
Well, because the thing is that on them thing that them say my big rear admiral, you know, so
you know why you about who are we?
Me I tell you, so him absolutely
look at it, look at it. Yeah, one policeman with a case of rear admiral hang himself. I'm gonna be a couple years ago.
Yeah.
And when me ask my cousin said like not true. Want shoot Monday, he leave a man go walk.
No man, him a rear admiral for true, man.
I don't know me, you know me, you're some rumors about people. You wanna come on, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
The police force was looked upon as a refuge for employment.
True.
When a man can't get a work, you take your army test, you take your police test. Whichever one call up, you go. And so Bulldog say he go. Anyone call up, you go. That's why when you tell me, you have more 10,000 police in Jamaica. I'm not glad you can work it up to come move on, you know.
That's true, man. But you know, so when
you in a court, you can't get no working up, you know.
Oh, well, boy, I'm only know that on them thing, because, you know, from me, from me, 4 on them thing, boy, me know say a police, but at time live make me want to be police.
Alright, no.
Yeah.
Do you hear your talk, say, oh, Billy man, we kid.
Yeah.
Organize the kill Bogle.
Uh-huh.
We cry, you know why?
Yeah.
Me remember in my Bogle, their friend.
True.
And that's why I don't want much friend. Because you can't organize the kill your friends now. You can't be good.
Alright, but
and you talk them allegation and then don't sue you. That means there's credibility in what you said.
Him can't. But look here, between me and them thing, me have. I see like how me attack. Me have witness, you know, to people that was there when them a plan to kill him, you know. People that was.
God almighty.
Me I tell you that. Me have just like how me attack you. Somebody that was there when them plan to kill Bogle and them thing there. The reason why you see me not go after the youth when him Ice were involved in a kill with the killing of Bogle and them burn on him house. Ice innocent to it. Him not have nothing to do with it. It's just because what Ice did do when time Bogle did do him song when him come back at Jamaica. Because you know
me people go tell me say Zuki talk or something with the killing
at the judge.
The judge was actually I don't believe it. Me feel alive. Zuki, right now Zuki run church.
Well, we
feel that a lie.
We do believe in a redemption.
But Mr. Chill should live down there so. The man and go there so. We all live in the same area there so. And in our 50s running by the good area.
Yeah.
After a while become a good man area. We all live there so far. Me and let's go on and want to park when we drink. We go back there go drink for more.
Yeah.
I'm not going to stone them place there. So everything change up.
True.
There's a reason why. Remember me want some message passed on to some people pass St. Joseph Road.
Yes.
Because he must own be a police station and won't try to transport. So he must is a Wedderburn. Is a good deliver some message to start of the car.
Yes, you know. That's true.
There's a reason why. These are man who want to mix up with some people.
Hey.
I mean when things have changed.
Hey, you know brother Wedderburn?
Me and there's a barrack road all the while.
Yes.
Night and day. And you say the policeman drop the woman off there and they kill him. Is a different barrack road? Yeah
man, different barrack road now man.
That's why when they call, me say me go call my cousin Ted. I said to Ted say, where are you Porter for? Me don't know Porter, but Porter come from a good family. And basically what I said, he said treating bad, you'll be treating bad man. Because a parroquet, I'm never going to treat Porter bad man.
So a parroquet I'm say him not treat me bad?
Me not talk to Paro, me not have his number.
Oh.
But somebody go and get his number for it. And me go ask him about you.
Oh, okay.
So because the Porter seems to be objective. What Porter do you want to clean up the police force? He will never succeed in cleaning it up. For Jamaica is a corrupt society.
But a corrupt society, it's a criminal paradise.
Hold on. Me meet my goal in the first time last year from Girls College.
Yeah.
About a million ex-policemen go to the scene, most special branch. Turn all of them. And you know, he seems remarkably intelligent.
He's very intelligent, man. I say, guy, he's a liar plus banker. So
when he make his presentation,
him not dunce.
When he make his presentation, let me say, this guy will do a long period in Jamaica House. And he's zero tolerance to corruption. And the fact that his mother and father Englishman make it even more superb. But you begin to tarnish him, I'm a martyred murderer.
Yes, man not tarnish him. In fact, it's up on the channel.
You say guy's a murderer.
Then I mean, Danville Palmer convicted for murder, man, for kill 3 people. And him
well, he get parole.
Oh, you mean if you get you don't know say Jamaica and them thing they charge you murder, you can't get all probation. When no other country in the world now do. Jamaica is criminal paradise,
no, listen to me. Blame the parliamentarian name.
I know then that may I tell you.
Blame the parliament. And the House of Parliament to make laws.
Then them do it, man. Remember saying, remember say one time when you charged him murder for stab alright. Remember all the policeman named Campbell, you know, where Siaga broke him neck, you know.
I remember know that.
Okay. I remember say Campbell a police, you know, and I shoot Campbell, shoot the man and stab him, you know. I strangle him, man, and Siaga hang him, you know.
Campbell deserve it. Me tell you why I deserve it.
No, but we're not talking about...
You see when a man take your man?
Yes.
And I take out the man business space? He deserve it.
Yeah.
See, I want more than right in me.
Yes. But,
listen to me, people.
No, and the reason why we are said that and them thing that him no use no weapon and see I go kill him, so why them money will use gun and them thing?
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, man, sure.
So he didn't charge of murder.
Yes.
The RM cut the perm of the case.
Yeah, and him go a circuit.
Suppose they did cut to keep him murder. You know why they get the death penalty too?
Why am I gonna be biased? No. No, let me not gonna be biased. That's all.
That's right. You better be careful with it.
Yeah.
You want the death penalty.
Yeah.
This and that.
Yeah, but when I friend know and them thing, they are somebody. And the Trinity, I'm a friend now because I'm a crime fighter.
Just a murder.
Yeah.
Just a murder. There's a policeman there play tree named Morris.
Yes.
He go to my yard, and there is a woman police, and Indian pretty police girl. In a Patrick City. And the next policeman jumped through the window and run. And he killed the woman.
Oh,
he go to 10 years and come out.
Who you at that, Linda?
Morris, man, Morris.
Oh.
Morris, no, Mark, female inspector. Man is work at the traffic office. He killed the woman because, you see, he go home and next man, then he get mad.
I fool that, man. But you know, one next police did do it to one police and here Linda, you know.
Me know the case.
One sergeant, yeah. I see him previous and he was the last person anybody expect to do it, you know.
That's what I'm telling you. DC Lintonberry.
Oh, yes, man.
He killed the woman. I called the woman husband out there. We just kill the wife and he didn't
him come out. Him come out.
Because he spent so much money on the woman. He'll give you the rights. Most women will tell lies.
A true man.
If you have money to spend, they will yam you out.
I know, Will. Hey, let me tell you this, man. I gotta tell. Hey, me know some Jamaican woman. You understand? Well, lock up.
My wife is here. She has sleep right now.
Yeah, man.
She was here. One time, me the patrol on Maxilla with me as a soldier. Giant police military patrol. A popular thing that one police to 5 soldiers. I meet that taxi girl from Maxilla, you know. That time, no cell phone, I just take number. The girl never like a queue with Maxilla. So, the next evening, we go there. And like a queue is a dead end road.
Yeah, man, I know it, man. Yeah.
And they have gully back on shop.
Yeah.
And when me go there, about 6 o'clock in the evening, we said to Ratted, when me go there, I go on the veranda. About 6 money, the panic girl family, everybody. They come from Darliston and Westmoreland.
Yeah.
The girl run down back her yard. What? I mean, I saw the man book up there. Just like how you might see a woman look attractive.
Yeah.
I know you're alone call to that woman.
A true man.
But see the man was a throw in a book up there one time. But me know the soldier. So me the soldier laugh it off.
Oh.
And the idiot could have one fire gun.
So the soldier, him never vex though?
No, we just laugh and say, we are there, we say, we laugh, Papa, me a patrol in the past. He said, hey, me you talk sometimes, you know, but you talk something about show me good friend, but you know, me not say run to you.
Yeah.
We say, you just come along after me. You talk about this guy named Carter. Shame on him, I'm like, you know, you know, me and Carter come to be friend now. One time, police kill a soldier at Georgetown. In a 76.
Yeah.
This soldier is from my district. So I know this soldier well. I don't know the police when he shoot me. But I know because police and soldier lives in a giant police background.
Yeah.
We went to Lotsbury Bark Shrubbery Field of JD and senior police officer Dan Powell and a man named, I'm already said they get the kill name. Hunt is Superintendent Hunt Mobile as well.
Yeah.
So we have no communication with the soldiers. Except in line of work. In other words, they don't want to talk.
Yeah.
But we might talk about the incident.
And it offend them.
If I was submitted a gun at the DPP. That time saw the police a fight across road.
Yeah, man, remember them time,
and
man.
Up one another.
I stop up one another.
So, well, you hear you what happens that they catch me a car attack. So the senior police officer Dan Powell would cover and kept me one side there. He never listen to briefing. He said, yes, but we just attack actual family doing everything. He said, you live a box, a young person hungry, why? You talking, why you breaking it? He said, he called to me and me and his friend. And I don't see any problem communicating. So Carter said, I choose to talk to him, but he's my friend for life. You never too like it. But we end up, all of it end up at America Hill. Yeah. And I was close to Carter, me and Carter talk. But we tried to avoid speaking about the incident.
Right.
For the only feeling me, I mean, with the policeman from my district. Not the policeman, the soldier.
Yeah.
And we know that crossroad, the soldier beat him up with the police. And he take the minister, the commissioner, the brigadier, to try to bring back normalcy.
Yeah.
And we know Carter today, the last time before me from Carter by me up a beer. And man, them said to her that they say, hey, friend Carter take her on the shower wife, you know, man. I live with him, you know. Yeah, man, I take her on the shower wife, I live with the shower wife, man. Call him, man, call him.
Yeah.
What's what I call him for? We don't need him. Me put her, diss him up. Me don't know what she is, darling. But me ever call about Tukuman, darling, this and that.
Yeah.
Hold on. I am saying, listen to me.
Yeah.
Carter, me brethren. Come from France, still carrying them.
Yeah.
Good brethren.
So him take all the shower wife and
Yeah. That's how my brethren they say. Yeah, man, I take all the shower wife, man, your friend, man, call him. I said, we don't need to call him, but we don't call him all that time, I reason with him. Reminiscing of the past.
Yeah.
Not reminiscing of the past. I'm a brethren. He's an honorable guy. I'm sure you wouldn't know the guy. He's a guy when him a body come out, very nice guy. Was pay my star in the army. He might wear a close friend, which is me. And the same fire I'm out there there. My cousin son did up there one night time. As the Wedderburn. They did the secondment Scotia Bank. This has been in Jamaica a long time, so I don't know. You say, you say, police never give no gun license to criminal.
Yeah.
But at the same time, they read the right up, so they're not going to go license to people.
No, that's a him, that's a right.
Hold on. We know police clear they're going to sell no gun license.
Yeah.
We know car workers sell no gun license. Hold on. Whether they're criminal or not, you decide.
Yeah.
Any system you put implement. Going to be abused.
Yeah.
But me know nobody can give Carter $1 for your gun license.
Yeah. Well, fine, you say that then, you know, you understand.
The man. I always say me know the man.
Yes.
I know him in the work a guard man one time when he left the army. He's a guy of integrity.
No, me not talk about him a collect money and them thing. Me not talk about.
But we don't know Shane Darling.
Yeah, me not talk about.
We don't know about Shane Darling.
Yeah,
I must be careful when you make a call upon it now. Dennis Meadows who give over 200 man gun license. I'm going to run the paper Trelawney right now.
Them not going to give it, man.
Yes, he deserves it. You know why? He ran for give someone gun license.
Yeah,
and the flaws in the system why he could do it.
Yeah, because hey, look here. Remember saying girl in brother-in-law were a convicted criminal too. But when the police them never give a convicted criminal. That's the difference.
The police sell it to people.
Then, hey, look here. At Jamaica, that, you know. Hey, look here.
Look here. What you see gun?
No.
You know what I mean? You want to have a gun in life again? Go and put a lot of people in a trouble.
That are people that use it. Them not use it responsibly.
People about gun, people that kill it for your thing gun. Gun cause problem.
Yeah.
Gun make you too brave. If Trinity about gun, he couldn't charge you murder.
No, Trinity, I know so between me and him. I talk to somebody who very close to Trinity, and you know, say the killing of Trinity wife and them thing. It wasn't deliberate, you know. Because him fire a shot up in the roof and he ricochet and kill the wife. He never shoot her. And him do it deliberate, but him fire the shot up in the roof of the house. He must know so it's a ricochet.
You have restraint.
Yeah.
We don't want to be a police already. And a policeman named Cameron.
Yeah.
From Olympic Garden speaks right in my face. In a yard room with many police.
Who spit in your face?
Because he will accuse me, say.
Yeah.
Because he me I go give a statement to the detective. Because he thief off some tire. And beat up my McDonald's him. Me Steve to me say me not go do it. Me could have said me gonna shoot him. But you know me not shoot him. He not charged for murder.
Who spit in your face?
Cameron spit on my face.
A police? A thief in police?
Yeah, because him knows me see him. And because of that, no, he might try to intimidate me. We could not kill him, but we're not going to kill him. But that time, we're not such a police always see exhibit of a carrying night everywhere.
Boy,
a normal thing that.
Boy, I never like it at all, you know.
What you can do? The exhibit and the thief of the exhibit, what you going to do?
Boy, I don't know all the but I tell you something on them thing.
That's why you see. Me never have no car every night, so me never thief no exhibit. A barrack room, me live, you know.
Yeah.
I live at barrack room. When me drink the goat on Friday day, go run a vandal, go provide security.
And get your little...
Sometimes Trinity will borrow back my money from me.
Him not pay you back.
And the reason is, Trinity money always come to Santa Cruz and building society. And because me live like a brother, we never see it as nothing.
Yeah.
For me benefit from him, and when we go out there, go water house with him, he make me know some of the people.
Yeah.
And he kind to me, so me not use him be an issue.
Yeah. Boy, that sound like me and Bobby Riggs.
The only thing I don't like with Trinity, when him a go quote him, run out everybody out a two bathroom upstairs downstairs. And he will quarrel, say we there too long. And we take our ass out.
Yeah.
And when mad with me with if Trinity live for a barrack, you know, in love Olympic, go patrol. And if me not come with him and the other police, them, he mad and hate you. You must come in when you not work. One thing.
Him love to work, though, you know?
No. Trinity don't know what his day off. He don't know what name.
That's true.
He work night and day.
Then also time living in the state, man.
Trinity don't know what is a day off. And he live on barracks. And he work hard. It's like, we don't know. It might be because of the fact that he happy to the work. And the work turning into money.
That's true, man. Because based on where him come from, too, you understand? Because you don't know them.
And he not go hang out with bad and go. He not go to go hang out.
No, you can't do that. You can't do that as police. Because...
But remember, when he might go in my yard, he might insist me come with him. Me and two other people. And he can't, I might postman carry me. Carry theater. He can't allow young police. But we don't know what to do. And he want we come with him all the while.
Yeah.
My days are very happy days.
Why my days was happy days to become not telling a lie?
I'm tell you we're happy. Me see when Trinity on the verge. Right, he resignated and Bevan to the previous day because Sergeant Lawrence put Trinity under such pressure. Till Trinity said, boy, man, let me walk. He said, oh, if you want me, Lawrence? Lawrence killing with strike duty every day.
So them time
I hate him.
him never did a CIB them time
No. I never even take him to him as CID. Take him up for Larry. For Larry should have killed him with strike duty.
Why? Because Lauren say my laboratory come for Rima.
No. Larry just hate him.
Oh. Boy,
I kill him at strike duty. And if the sergeant doesn't do what you can do.
You have to comply, man, else them will write you up. Or unless you go take sick leave and
I treat it all right up, treat this and treat it right over by and Larry be because Larry can see promotion and can't get in bad mind everybody.
Hey, me know.
I write up every friggin' story he like.
Hey, me know them police were miserably, you know, man.
The old sergeant.
Yeah, man. And them every day them.
Man, they set to low life ones. You know, they had the hand over the firearm. You write it up in the red ink. Let me bring them to court of inquiry. I want to bring them to court of inquiry.
So them never use adult room them time there.
But a court of inquiry talk about all the way.
Yeah, man.
There's no one bad man.
You know them police man were miserable man and
they did live a way more driver when come up on the Stone Road. Road. I mean, one of the Calbeck, one of the avenue there because my cousin did live beside him and me and his going to the court now. I mean, never know they live there. So when we drive up the one night time in my 80s, we said, Mr. Lloyd, I live here. But me never know him and my cousin them not talk. They were good friends, but they don't talk after a while. So my cousin said, he's not a good policeman, he don't talk to him. So what? We didn't know if I was after a while. I learned in charge I station. Marvally. I remember Carl Potter did over here and then Carl Potter and me let's meet up there. We go drink pick up behind the station. We call me say, Carl ready. You know I station and Marvally and wait on.
But wait, you know, before you're gonna you didn't know one police when that Marvally named Steve McKenzie?
No much man. Hold on. I want detective red one did name Ford. This is police, you know. Ford was a thief in detective. No one there traded like one named Morgan and Morgan is a thief. It's a Morgan tell who going to wake up here.
So him there now? Him dead?
In that Connecticut. There's a love gun, but there's a man named Thompson, my daddy Thompson cousin. Have a bus company, this is Dennis Avenue on Mullins Road. Right on Mullins Road and Dennis Avenue. But that big bus road goes St. Thomas and they play.
Yeah.
And he has no money a yard. So I'm about hope about some boat.
Yeah.
When you go there and say cigarette and liquor. He said, no police always come to the money, most of the car man. He said, when I burden know what happened. Some good man come rob him one time. You hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you, man.
After that, 2 police come. And when they come, detective food.
Yeah.
Before they sympathize with him.
They rob him.
They were begging money too. So Mr. Thompson, I don't know. Let me just check him. He will give me a pack of cigarette. And he will talk to me about some politics.
Hey, no.
Hold on, because I'm a PMP because he might not be a cousin and he said, you know, let me tell you something. The police, I don't want to see none of them have any police come there. Because he might tell the police, gunman come rob me, they don't come with sympathy. They might take the money same time.
Hey, boy, the police has a wicked police though, you know.
You talk about that? Lord God, the police are wicked.
No man, I'm wicked. hey, between me.
You know why a lot of police go to prison? It's greedy, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know why detective named Joel Smith was a detective started on a Huntsville.
Yeah.
And then put him on Olympic yard.
What name?
Joel Smith, my popular detective sergeant.
Yeah.
They transferred him to Portland. And the area how much money a man make, I make a team spend a night time, I'm not going to drive.
Yeah.
Table load plane. For them man talk a really bar.
Yeah, man. Anything you want to know.
How much money they make.
Yeah.
Curly Locks always up in how much money he make. Police Curly Locks say. One night me go to the seat. 100,000 me make, you know. And him show off with it too.
Him say how much?
So everybody here say money don't know, man.
Him say how much money him say make?
Curly Locks say one night he make 100,000.
What? A bunch of money that them time there, you know?
1980, so you want Joel Smith no transfer to Portland.
Yeah.
But because him greedy and want money, the Bevan want him to listen to Portland.
Yeah.
For me, you say no problem, lock up your wrong. He discussed a Willie Bar, you know. He said, Master, nobody can lock him up.
Yeah.
You know, they took a killer man in a blood clot load plane.
Yeah.
So, soldier, I believe a car, all of them big policemen, she move on there. With a helicopter from the sky. They lock up in blood clot, a prison up. He get KD Knight to defend them. KD Knight win the case with Blackie Brown. And he win the Milton Powell.
That two other police that?
Then they lock him up with him.
Them are police though?
KD Knight, when KD Knight don't charge Joel Smith, he charge him the most. KD buy a blood clot, new Benz out of the top where Duke Street. And KD Knight, if you don't have no money now, they really no boss. Me know a policeman or superintendent.
So him never win the appeal when him appeal the case?
He lose the appeal, man.
Him and he migrate come a foreign after?
No, migrate not. Now Jamaica, I get enough security work. They said that since me up there now, Joel Smith. Probably if you know him personally well, postscript. You can't start living about them police then.
Boy, hey, yeah, some
but like only because, look at it now.
Hey, as you said, still doing no careful work, the thief though, you know though.
I wish Melanie come from, you know.
Hey, careful work sell all, you know, so careful work sell all bus a Spanish town though. You might want the detective corporal. Yeah, man.
You know, the closest friend to Renita and I was Piggy Williams.
Yeah.
For they come from the same district. Piggy and my brethren. But Piggy one of the luckiest policeman. They go past someone murder charge and win it.
Boy, may I tell you, you know, shooting and everything.
They shoot up Warmington, they shoot Warmington, cousin kill him in a car. But they have good lawyer, man.
That's a whole hour.
When you have Tony Stalin, you small, and then bring a lawyer by your case. Yeah, winner. You know this lawyer, Mr. Jonathan? If she never thief, she would be an outstanding person.
That's true, man.
But buy her bar, she buy the whole bar.
Yeah, man. Me and some police. That's why I'm not even liquor or anything.
Me tell them me that bar. I know police in there she come. Our father was Kenneth from St. Mary. Yeah. She's one of the most Irish police. Irish lawyer, but tell her, she overspend her budget. And you see money, when you don't have no money, you don't have no friend.
Then I say, come on.
When the money left you, you get fucked.
And I tell man.
You have a house. And you can't pay the bank and they come close by you and see what happens.
Nobody, hey, alright.
You have a friend where you see a friend.
No, man.
You're glad for. You buy foreclosure.
Yeah, man.
I get it cheap.
Yeah.
Remember one Sunday?
Yeah.
A friend of mine, when we just stay with up here. It was a PP court, I'm like a beast store. The man KD and I tell him about drinking body. He called me, said, me read this on the green, man. Me see your friend also take your black Roman Mel Brown, MP. You look like he borrow some money from the bank, you know, but and then build the hotel there, but boy, you look like he go in the bank. You advertising I saw the green like I sell. Grab it, man. Mr. He got me the money, me couldn't grab it. For me, the man did too good. For me, I joined the police, was there, man, there, and Noel God give me money.
Oh.
You know, the content, me can't do it so. That's something me can't do.
But you know, it's a female wife there, though, Noel Garden.
Man, house, pop foreclosure, want me friend.
That's true, man. I don't behave for that, man.
Me don't like it. Just like how me can't do with my friend, no man, me can't do with it.
Yeah, me too. Me that. So me I have no whole heap of things in common. Me can't do it. If me know say a man,
Yes, what?
if me
can't do it, man.
if me and a man not even a friend. If me know say that man there with that woman there and them thing there, me no want her. You understand? If
One time a woman come to this house, you know. About 15 years ago.
In your house up there, yeah.
Yeah. To me and my wife, my good friend, woman me know from Jamaica. And she come